In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find and navigate the list of your reports. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise or your location selected, then choose Reports. You should arrive at a list of your reports. They will be divided into columns such as Organization, Employee, Scheduling, Time and Attendance, and Fixed. If you're looking for a specific report, you can change the way these columns are filtered by going to the top of your list. Right now, I have it set for any type and any source. If I was looking for a specific type of chart, I could click the arrow next to any type and choose an option from the drop-down menu. Let's say I only want to look at packages. I'll click on Packages, and now I see the two scheduling reports that are packages. I'm going to go ahead and go back to any type. I can do the same thing for any source. If I'm looking for a report from a specific source, I can click the arrow next to any source and choose a specific place that the chart came from. Let's say Organization Location. Now I can see all of the reports that have to do with the organization's location. Again, I'm going to go ahead and go back to any source. If you are looking for a specific report and you know the name of that report, you can type it into the search bar. Let's say I'm looking for the report on the days that we are closed. I'll type in days closed, and you can see that that report has come up under scheduling. I'm going to go ahead and clear my filters. Now, let's say that I wanted to view a specific report. All I would have to do is click on that report, and now I can see all of that report's information. To go back to my list of reports, I will go to the top menu bar and click on Reports, and now I'm back to that list. That's how you can view all of your reports and navigate that list. Check out the next video to learn more about viewing your reports.